Hi Garja, my name is Bróna Ní Eachaidh and I attended school in St Patrick's High School in Katy in County Armagh. I also attended 3 courses in Lough in County Donegal. I spent two summer courses there and 1 Easter course there. The best thing about the Gaeltacht for me was of course spending loads of time in Donegal, which I love, but also spending great times with my friends and making new friends while I was there. I picked Irish for GCSE because I loved the language and I had a real interest in the language and I thought it was beautiful. And I do think it is really important to have Irish because it is our native language and it is beautiful, and of course we all know that it is very beneficial to be bilingual. I am currently working in the Irish language sector. I was an Irish language teacher for 5 years and now I work with Bróna Ní Eachaidh as an Irish language events officer, which I'm really enjoying. The best thing about having Irish is that you do have a different experience and outlook on life. I feel that you have more friends, that you have your Irish speaking friends and your English speaking friends, and I do think that it gives you lots of opportunities in your working life for employment as well. My favourite seanachal or proverb is Ní bhíonn in aon rudach seall, which means nothing lasts forever, and I just think it's lovely, but I also think it has helped a lot of people during this pandemic. Slán live!